India's first animated live tuition. Can you hear me? Okay, so please turn on your camera, everyone. Please turn on your camera. Okay, good evening all. Yeah. So we were discussing number systems, right? Okay, everybody please turn on your camera. Please switch on your camera. If there is some new students, please turn on your camera. You are not supposed to turn off your cameras during the class time. Your camera must be on throughout the class. Okay? Yeah, so do we have some new students today? If you are attending this class for the first time, can you please raise your hand? Any new students? Any new students? No hand raises, right? Okay, so you all know the rules, right? Okay, so please don't turn off your camera. Yeah, so we were discussing chapter number 1, number systems, right? Yeah, we were discussing chapter number 1, number systems, and we already completed some topics from this chapter, right? And we were solving some questions. Yeah, we already discussed about rational numbers, irrational numbers, then decimal expansion of real numbers, right? How to identify whether a given number is rational or irrational. Given number means given decimal number, right? Okay, and we were doing some questions. Last class we solved one question. Not only one question, but this was the last question we solved, right? Show that 1.2727 etc, or we can just write it as 1.27, and above this 27 we can just put a line or a bar to make sure that this 27 is repeating, right? 1.272727 like that. So we need to show that this can be expressed in the form P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q not equal to 0, right? We already solved this question, right? Okay, so let's solve this once again, and we will solve some other questions after that. So what was the first step? Do you remember the first step? Anybody? Any hand raises? What was the first step?
Okay, actually,
okay.
You write x is equal to 1.27 bar.
Yes, x is equal to, we just name or we just label this given number as x. Okay, then what next?
Then because there are 2 digits after the decimal point repeating, we multiply by 100.
Yes, very good. Since 2 digits are repeating, we multiply by 100. So we get 100x is equal to
127.27.
Yes, 100 into 1.27 bar, that is equal to 127.27 bar. Yes. Then?
And then we might subtract 100x and x.
Yes, 100x minus x.
And 127.27 bar minus 1.2.
Okay, that is equal to?
That is equal to 99x.
99x, okay, 100x minus x is 99x.
And 126.
126, okay. 127.27 bar minus 1.27 bar will be 126, okay. Yeah, so 99x is equal to 126. Yeah.
X equals 126.99, which is 14.9.
Yes, the value of x is equal to 126 by 99. When we simplify it, we will get it as 14
by 11.
Yes, 14 by 11. Okay, so we express this 1.2727 etc, or this 1.27 bar in the form of P by Q. So here P is equal to 14 and Q is equal to 11. So we already express it in the form of P by Q. Why? Because this is non-terminating but recurring. We know that non-terminating recurring decimals are actually rational numbers. Since they are rational, we can express it in the form of P by Q. Okay, yeah, this was the last question we have solved. Since 2 digits are repeating, we take 100x. And before this, there was one question. 0.3333 etc. or 0.3 bar. Since only one digit was repeating, we just take this x is equal to 0.3 bar and then we labeled 10x, right? We labeled this 0.3 bar as x and then we took 10x, right? It was 3.3 bar. Why? Only one digit is repeating. And in the next question, since two digits are repeating, we took 100x. And here we have another question. Yeah, all other questions were discussed in the previous class. Now this is a new question. We have shown that 0.235353 etc. or 0.3 0.235 bar. So this bar is only for this 35, which means this 2 is not repeating, only this 35 is repeating. Okay, it is 0.23535 etc. Only this 35 is repeating and we need to show that this can be expressed in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0. Yeah, so what we do now? How many digits are repeating? Is it 3? I have a doubt. Yeah, what is your doubt? Who's that? Yes, Niranjan?
Ma'am, so yesterday I think I had a maths test, and in the question like find x, and sir gave like a rational number, and sir gave like the power as x, and they both of the powers at x. So I don't know how to find it.
What was the question?
Ma'am, I think ma'am I didn't read the question on because I didn't get enough time because sir gave us like a lot of questions that we had to do in the graph. So I didn't get time to do the question, but plus I didn't know how to do.
Like 2 raised to x or like 20 raised to x?
2 by 3 something like in a rational form.
2 by 3 the whole raised to x.
Yes, I am.
Is equal to something.
Now multiplied by like 2 by 3 raised to x like that. Then equal by the end of my answer. Like find the x.
Okay, so if it is given as 2 by 3, the whole raised to x is equal to some, say 4 by 9. We know that
4 raised to x now. Like not equal to multiplied by 4 by 9 whole raised to x.
Okay, 2 by 3 the whole raised to x into 4 by 9 whole raised to x, like that.
Yes, ma'am. Just something like this.
Okay, so we have a rule, right? Okay, actually it is coming topic rules or the operations on real numbers, and we have something like a raised to m into a raised to n, then a raised to m into b raised to m. Do you remember this? In class 8th we have some laws. So similar to that, in this chapter also we have some rules. That is actually the coming topic, rules on this operations on real numbers. Okay, and we can discuss such questions. Okay, don't worry. Okay, yeah. So definitely we will solve such questions. We have
I have a problem. I'm able to unmute my mic without anyone requesting me that.
Okay.
I'm not sure that will be a problem, but.
Sir. Okay. He will do the needful.
Even I can do that.
Sir.
You don't need to. Okay, yeah, we all know that we all can now. No one unmute.
Oh, wait. Please don't unmute yourself, please. Okay, sir. Is it okay now? No, wait. Okay.
No, ma'am.
Wait. Okay. Yeah. Now it's okay? Now it's okay? Yeah, fine. Sorry. Sir. Yeah, any other doubts? No. Okay. So let's solve this question. If you don't have any doubts, please lower your hands. Okay. We have a hand raise, right? 2, 1, 2, 3.
Yes, Rakshita.
Yes, Rakshita.
Ma'am, I have a doubt. Like we have a worksheet for this chapter, so in that we have a question saying that express 0.123 bar, where 2, 3 as a bar,
Okay.
Not much, just 3.
Mm.
So, in the form P by Q, where P by Q are integers and Q not equal to 0.
Yeah. This question is very much similar to that question, right?
Yeah, but like, I'm getting a real big number, so how do we do this?
Yeah, we can solve this question. Okay, it is 0.123 and the bar is only for this 2, 3. Yeah, we can solve this question and then you will understand. Okay, let's solve this question first. Yeah, okay. So, is there anyone ready to solve this question for me? No, not only for me, but for us. Anybody?
Or Ramsey.
Yes. Yes, Ramsey.
Ramsey.
Ramsey. Okay. It's my mistake, sorry. Ramsey. Yes, Ramsey.
X is equal to 0.23.
Yes, x is equal to, we just label this given number as x is equal to 0.235 bar and this bar is only for 35. Yes. How many digits are repeating?
100. What?
How many digits are repeating? 2 digits are repeating.
Two.
So we just take 100x. Yes, so 100x is equal to
23.5.
yes.
35.
Okay, so 100 into the 0.235 bar, or we just take it as 23.5, then this 3535 like that. Okay, then
We subtracted.
mm,
We get 99x is equal to 23.3.
okay, wait, 23.5353 and the other one is 0.23535, yeah, like that. When we subtract it, 100x minus x is 99x and this is C 23.5353 and the other one is 0.235 like that. Okay, yeah, when we subtract it, we will get
23.3.
23.3. Yes, the other digits are same only, like 3535. The only difference is here 5 and 2. So when we subtract, we will get 23.3. Okay, so 99x is
Since it is a decimal number, we multiply it by 10.
yes. Since this is a decimal number, we multiply only this 23.3 or this 99 also.
No, 99x also.
Yes, so we multiply both sides of this equation by 10. So 99x into 10 is equal to 23.3 into 10. Just to remove this decimal point, we are multiplying both sides of the equation by 10. Your phone is vibrating. Yeah, okay then.
X is equal to 233 by 990.
Yes, so we get 990x is equal to 233, or we can say that x is equal to 233 divided by 990. Okay, yeah, that's it.
Ma'am.
Yeah, very good. Yes.
Mohammed Zuhair has some doubts.
Yes, Suhair. Suhair?
Zuhair, please unmute.
Yes.
Yeah, what is your doubt?
Not your doubt, but I found fastest way to find like P by Q form.
Yeah, so what is your method?
Can you erase everything, please?
Okay, let me take another slide for you. So the question is 0.235 and the bar is only for 35. Yes.
Yes. The fastest way is we put 235
Mm,
as a numerator. Okay.
yes.
And as per this digit repeating, so you minus 2.
Minus 2, okay.
And by, put that by.
You are asking.
There's 2 digit repeating, so we have to add 2 9, which is 99.
Okay.
And there's 1 digit left out, so add 1 more 0.
One more 0, okay.
Yes.
Mm.
Now final answer will be 233 by 990.
Okay, so what about the other question, like 0.3 bar?
Yes, 0.3 bar.
We have
3.
3. Okay.
By 9.
By 9.
There's 2 digit repeating, so 9.
Okay, so here we
So we
subtracted.
started this,
Here
so
2
it
digits
will
are
be
repeating and we subtracted 2. But what about this? Here only 1 digit is repeating, so we have to subtract it here also, right? If we are following that step.
no, only for if it's 2 digit or 3 digit. But
Oh.
if it's 1 digit, no.
Okay. Yeah.
So first answer will be 1 by 3.
1 by 3. Okay. So what about this question? The other one, wait. This one. 1.27 bar. Yeah. Is he on mute? No.
Yes, 1.27 bar.
Ah.
127.
127.
Then there's 2 digit repeating, so 99. By
Okay.
99. By 99.
So we don't have to subtract?
Yes, subtract by 2.
Ah.
And if there's one number at the side, we have to mix it that. So mix it division, so 1.
1. Where? Here.
No, the like mixed fraction. Yeah.
Mixed fraction. Okay. 1.
Yes. Like that, the final answer you will get.
Okay, so this is 1, then 127 minus 2 is 125 divided by 99. So when we convert it to, okay, so actually the answer was 14 or 126 divided by 99 was the answer. Yeah, wait. 126 by 99 was the answer. But how do we convert a mixed fraction to this normal? Previous slide? Okay, wait a second. So what will we get? 1 into 99 plus 125 divided by 99 will be the answer, right? Actually, the correct answer is 126 by 99. Okay, anyways, this is the method that is followed by your textbook. Okay, yeah, anyways, this is the answer. Yeah, 23.3 by 99, fine, or it must be that we have to yes, you have to multiply it by 10 because P and Q are integers. Okay, to be precise, they are co-prime integers. We always write it in the simplest form, but at least they are integers. So what are integers? It includes 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. 0, then -1, -2, etc. So it must be an integer. 23.3 is not an integer, right? 23.3 is not an integer. It is in the decimal form. So that is not appreciated. We have to multiply it with 10. We have to remove the decimal from there. Since we just have 23.3, we are multiplying it with 10. Okay. Yeah. So you have to remove the decimal from there. Okay. So everybody got this answer? And somebody was asking this doubt, 0.13123 bar. You can follow the same step. Okay, you can just write x is equal to 0.123 bar and the bar is only for this 2, 3. So how many digits are repeating? Only 2 digits are repeating. So write it as 100x is equal to 100 into this 0.123 bar. So it will be 12.323 like that. Okay. So 100 into 0.123 bar. Okay. So two decimal places will be shifted to the right side. So it will be 12.323 like that. Okay. Then you have to subtract and you will get the answer. Okay. Yeah. Any doubts? Any other doubts? Yeah. We have a hand raise.
Ashley?
Yes, Ashlyn.
But there's another method.
Okay. So
We take x equals 0.235 bar and then we take 10x as
wait, what was the question? 0.235 bar. Okay. Yeah. Okay, then?
And then we take 10x as 2.35 bar.
Okay.
and then we take 10 into 100, which is 1000x,
Okay.
as 1000x equals 235.35 bar.
235. We have 3 zeros here, right? 235. So one more place.
No, it's already 2.35 is 10x. If we multiply by 100, only 2 places will be.
We multiply it x by 100 or this 10x by 100.
10x by 100. 10x by 100.
10x into 100. Okay, so
Yeah,
2.35 bar into 100. Okay.
Which is 235, which is 1000x equals 235.35 bar.
Okay.
And then when we minus 1000x minus 10x and 235.35 minus 2.3.
Yeah, 1000x minus 10x will be 235.35 bar minus 2.35 bar. So it will be
233.
yes, 233. We can do it like that. Instead of multiplying, okay, this is 99x is equal to 233. Instead of
990.
yes, instead of multiplying it with this 10, after doing this 10x and 100x and all, you can just directly take this. Yes, correct. This method is correct. Okay. Yeah, any other doubts? Can you go to the question? Yeah.
Mass.
Yes. Yes, Mars.
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubts?
Yeah.
Yeah. What is your doubt?
The question is around.
Question is a doubt.
I quite understand this question.
You have the 0.235 bar. It is not in this P by Q form, right? It is a decimal. You have to convert it into a fraction. That is the question. Okay.
Like the answer.
Answer.
Like I understand the question. Not like what does it mean, but like the answer.
Yeah, it means that you have given a decimal 0.235 bar. You have a decimal over there and you have to convert it into a fraction or P by Q form. That is the question.
No, I understand what the question means. I just don't understand like the question, like the whole thing.
Steps.
Not only the question, like the answer.
Okay, so what did you understand the previous questions? 0.3, then
Okay.
everything was okay. All these questions.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So just the same steps. First step is name or label the given number as x. Take x is equal to the given number 0.235 bar. And this bar is just about this 35. So this bar indicates that digits are repeating, that numbers are repeating. So how many digits are repeating here? Bar is about this 3 and 5. So how many digits are repeating? What does this bar indicate? This a line above some numbers means that those numbers are
The number bar.
recurring or repeating, right? 0.3 yeah, 0.3 bar means 0.333. It is repeating. So here x is equal to 0.235 bar. So this number 3 and 5 repeating, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So how many digits are repeating? 2 digits. So you have to take 100x. 2 digits repeating, so 2 zeros. 100x. Okay.
Yes.
Yes. So 100x means what is this 100x? You have to multiply this with 100. Okay, you have to multiply this with 100. Instead of multiplying, you can just shift this decimal place, right? Instead of multiplying the 0.235 with 100, you can just shift the decimal. So it will be 23.5353 like that. It goes on and on. Now,
You're taking like 100 because like over the bar.
over the bar, see, here 2 digits are repeating. What?
Like so.
Okay, how did we, yeah, see, Here you can just write it as 3 5 bar. That is okay. Okay, I'm not removing that bar. It is there. And here also, if you want, you can just write it as 3 5 bar. That is okay. And here also, if you want, you can just write it as 0.235 bar. Yeah, that is okay. Okay, 35 bar means it is 3535. So I just wrote it as 3535 like that. Okay.
Yes.
And here also, if you want, just put a bar over there. So it is. Is it okay now?
Yeah, it's okay now.
Yeah, okay. Any other hand raises, ma'am?
No one.
No one. Okay, so everybody. One more was there. Yeah, okay. Yeah, that's it. This is how you solve this. Okay, so if it is x is equal to 0.123 bar and this bar is only for 2, 3, follow the same step.
Excuse me, ma'am. There
Yes.
is Abid
Yes, Abid.
and Ahmed.
Yes, Abid.
Abid.
No doubts.
No doubts.
Okay.
Second one. Okay then.
Yeah. So this is how we solve this question. If the bar is only for, if it is like x is equal to some 0.1234 bar is only for this 3, 4. Just consider 3, 4 on unit, 2 digits are repeating. Okay, just consider the repeating digits only. And after following the steps, if you are getting it as some 90 x is equal to say or maybe 23 point, yeah, that was already there, just some 46.4, you have to remove that point or that decimal, so just multiply both the sides of equation by 10. Okay, just p and q must be integers, right? P and q must be integers. That's why we are removing the decimals. Decimals are can you please zoom it? 0.123 bar, 23 only bar is the answer. Oh, okay, you already find the answer? Okay. Yeah.
Ma'am, Zahel has some doubt.
Yes, Sahel?
What if like there are 4 digits that are repeated?
4 digits.
Yeah.
Like
So
this.
we take 10,000 or 100 to 100.
See here 0.2345 bar. Like this.
Yeah, like that.
Okay, so just this is x and how many digits are repeating? 4 digits. So after 1 you have to put 4 zeros.
So basically 10,000.
Yes.
Okay. Fine.
Yeah. The number of repeating digits is same as the number of zeros after 1. Okay. Yeah. And this is the next question. Express the following in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers and q not equal to 0. Same question, similar questions. You have to express this 0.6 in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers and q not equal to 0. First step is name this or label this as x is equal to 0.6 bar. Yeah, we can unmute someone.
Sanjit.
Yes, Sanjit.
I
I'm fine, Sanjit. How are you?
Fine.
Yeah, okay. So, x is equal to 0.6 bar. How many digits are repeating here?
Ma'am, it's like x to the power bar, x on top of the bar, ma'am, like many digits, ma'am. We cannot even tell infinite digits. They keep on going.
Like one digit is repeating, like 6666, like that. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. So now we should multiply by 10, ma'am.
Yes,
so
10x.
10x into 6.6 on bar.
Yeah.
So let x equal to 0.6 bar. So ma'am, then afterwards the 6.6 on top bar, ma'am, is split it, ma'am. 6 plus x. You bring the x to the other side, ma'am. So 10x minus x is equal to 9x. So 9x equal to 6, so that we make the 9 the other side now. And we make it simpler, it will be equal to 1 by 3 now.
Okay.
Make it simpler.
10x minus x is 9x. So 9x is equal to 6. So x is equal to 6 by 9 and the value of x is, when we simplify 6 by 9, we will get
1 by 3.
1 by 3.
1 by 3.
Okay. Yeah, okay, so are you guys confused about this? Why we are, he just splitted it, okay? You can just, yeah, let me write the other step here. We take x is equal to 0.6 bar and 10x will be equal to 6.6 bar. Usually we follow this, like this method is also correct, okay? So 10x minus, we just subtract the second equation and first equation. So it will be 6.6 bar minus 0.6 bar. So we will get it as 6. 9x is equal to 6. This implies x is equal to 6 by 9 and you will get the answer. Okay, both are correct. Here he just splitted it as 6.6 bar as 6 plus 0.6 bar. What is the 0.6 bar? Okay, yeah, and unmute him again. Is it 1 by 3? 6 by 9 is okay. Is it 1 by 3? Where is he?
Yes, ma'am, it is.
It is 1 by 3. Okay, x is equal to 6 by 9 and I can write the 6 as 2 into 3 and 9 as 3 into 3. When I cancel 3 from both numerator and denominator, is it 1 by 3?
I'm doing for a 3 table now. I'm using 3 table in this one.
3 table, okay then, 6 by 9. You are cancelling both 6 and 9 using 3, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. And 3 2s are 6. And 3 3s are 9, right? Yeah, it is 2 by 3, not 1 by 3. If it was 3 by 9, yeah, it is 1 by 3. But since this is 6 by 9, it is 2 by 3, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Yeah, okay guys, so the answer is 2 by 3, not 1 by 3. Yeah, please be very careful while cancelling and all. Okay, so the answer is x is equal to 2 by 3. Everybody got the answer, 2 by 3? Any doubts? Any doubts? No. Okay, fine. Now let's solve the second question. 0.47 and bar, and this bar is only for 7. Okay, 0.47 bar. First step, let me write the first step for you. X is equal to 0.47 bar and this bar is only for 7. Now we can unmute someone.
Okay, Mitesh.
Yes, Midesh.
So one digit is repeating, so 1 then 1 0, so 10x equal to 0.4777.
0.477. 10x.
Yes.
Are you sure? So what is the difference between x and 10x?
Uh, 10x I will.
Okay, you mean into 10 here.
No,
No, just like this.
yeah, ma'am. In there I meant into 10, so 4.777.
4.7, yeah, okay, and you said 0.4747. Okay,
4.77.
4.7, okay, 77.
Minus 0.477.
Okay.
10x minus x equal to 4.777 minus 0.4777.
Okay.
So that will equals 0.47. So
That is equal to 0.47.
4.4.
4,
Yes.
okay, yeah, 4.
So 9x.
Okay, 9x equal to 4.
Yes. X equal to 4 by 9.
X equal to 4 by 9. Yeah, okay, x equal to 4 by 9. Yeah, okay, so everybody got this answer. X is equal to 4 by 9.
Ashley.
Ashlyn, you got
4.3, right?
4.3.
Yeah, it's 4.77 minus
Okay.
0.3.
Yeah, okay. See, here we have 4.7777 etc. minus 0.477 etc. It's not 0.777, it's 0.4747, like not 4777. Only the 7 is repeating. Okay, and here see we have a difference 7 minus 4. 7 minus 4 is 3. And here 4 minus 0 is 4 and everything else is just 0. Okay, we can just ignore that 0. So it is actually 4.3 divided by 9, not 4 divided by 9. Okay, so please be careful while subtracting. If it is like in such questions, here it was in this question 0.3 and 3.3. When we subtract, we get 3. Okay, 3.333 etc. minus 0.333. So everything will be 0 and we will get 3. But here it is a different case. Okay, 4.3 by 9. See, we have a difference here. This is 7 and this is 4. So we have to subtract that also. 4 and 7, when we subtract, we will get 3. So we have 4.3. And what is the question? Express it in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are integers. P and Q are integers. Is this 4.3 an integer? No, right? So what we do now? Multiply by 10. Yes. So multiplying the numerator and denominator by 10, we will get 43 divided by 90. So the answer is 43 divided by 90. Okay. Yeah, you have to multiply it by 10. If you want, you can just multiply it from here also. Okay, this is not 4. Okay, 4.3. Okay, you can multiply it from here. After this step, you can multiply both sides by 10. So it will be 10 into 9x equal to 10 into 4.3. And you can just write it as 90x is equal to 43 and x will be equal to 43 by 90. Okay, or after this step also you can multiply. Anyways, the final answer must be in this form. Both p and q must be integers. Okay, not decimal numbers are not allowed. P and q must be integers. It is clearly given in the question, right? P and q are integers and q not equal to 0. So p and q must be integers, and you can do that from here also, and from here, at least from this step you have to do that. Please don't write the final answer as 4.3 by 9. At least from this step you have to do this 10 by 10. Okay, or here you can multiply both sides by 10. Okay. Yeah, that's it. Anyways, the answer is 43 divided by 90. Okay, any doubts? Any doubts? If you raised your hands to answer the question, please lower your hands. Otherwise, yeah, we can unmute them. Any doubts? No, no, you don't have any doubt.
Minha.
Minha, do you have any doubt?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes.
I need to know like the second step, right? 10x equal to 4.777.
Yeah.
Yeah. I have confusion like how you got 4.777.
Okay.
Like I always give that step.
Okay. So x is equal to 0.47 bar, and this bar is only for 7, which means x is actually equal to 0.4777 etc. Suppose we have 1.2. Okay, we have 1.2 and we are multiplying it with 10. What we usually do we write this 1.2 and then we put this into sign and we multiply it with 10? No, we usually shift it. Okay, shift the decimal point, right? Yeah, and to multiply this 1.2 with 100, what we do is we have to shift one decimal point, and for the other 0 we have to put a 0, right? Yeah, just like that, here also we are shifting the decimal point. We are multiplying with 10. So 10x means we are multiplying with 10. So we have to shift one decimal, which means from here to here. We have to shift, not from there. Decimal is here, okay. Wait. from here to here we have to shift one place. So it will be 4.777 etc. Suppose we are multiplying this x is equal to 0.477 etc. and we are multiplying it with 100 means we have two zeros and we have to shift two decimal points. So it will be 47.777 etc. Okay?
Yeah.
Is it okay now?
Yeah. Yeah. And I have another doubt. Like, it doesn't matter, like, if the bar's on 7, right? So, it doesn't matter how many 7s I write. Like, if I write 7 and another student write 4 7, so the answer might be different, right?
No. Okay, here we are putting etc. signs. So
Yeah.
that means, or we are putting a bar over there. Okay, suppose it is like 4.777 etc. I just put like this and the other student is like 0.477 etc. When we subtract this, after this point, it doesn't matter how many 7s are there. If you put 100 7s after this, all of them are gonna be 0, right? 7 minus 7 is 0. We only consider this part, 4 and the 7 minus 4, it is 4.3. It doesn't matter after this how many 7s are there, all of them are gonna be 0, like 7 minus 7 is 0, 7 minus 7 0. So you can just write it as 4.77, but don't forget to put that etc. Okay? Yeah. Any other hand raises, ma'am?
No.
Okay. Now let's solve the next question. 0.001 the whole bar. 001 is there. Okay. So first of all, x is equal to 0.001 bar, right? Or it is actually 0.001, 001, 001 like that. 3 digits are repeating, right? Yeah, okay. So what is the next step? Ma'am, we can unmute someone.
Okay. Let's ask Ayman.
Ayman, okay.
Yes, ma'am. So x here is 0.001 bar. Meaning we have to take three digits with it. So you can just directly multiply with 100.
100.
Okay, I'll do it like systematically because I'm very confused.
Okay,
So we can go 10x.
10x.
Yes.
Okay. 10x.
10x we get a 0.01 001 500. Yeah, continuation. And then 100x. 100x we get 0.1001 001.
Yeah.
And I get.
Wait a second, Ayman. Wait. If after decimal point two numbers, just like 4.27 by some 90 something like that, you have to multiply with 100. You have to remove that decimal from there. So it will be 427 divided by this. Okay, so you have to remove that zeros. If two decimal points are there after this, like you have to multiply with that much number of. Okay, see, if two numbers are there after the decimal point, multiply it with 100, like 1 and 2 zeros. If 4 numbers are there after the decimal point, multiply it with 1 and 4 zeros. Okay, yeah, that is how it works. Yeah, yes, Ayman, just continue.
Yes, ma'am. So we can take so since you said that we can just take it directly like 1000x.
Okay, 1000x.
So, 1000x we can get 1.001. Now we can equate this, or we can say that 1000x is 1000x is equal to 1 plus x.
Okay. 1 plus, okay, wait one second. 1 plus 0.001 bar, right? Yeah, that is 1
we
plus
can
x.
say x. Ma'am, we can say x to make it clear.
Yes.
1 plus x. And then 1000x minus, so to equating this, we get 1000x minus x, it is equal to 1.
Okay, 1000x minus x is equal to 1. Okay.
So 999x is equal to 1, and then x is finally 1 by 999.
Okay, yeah. So I can see some correct answers. So after doing 100x, now becomes 100 bar. 100 bar? What? See, this bar is not going to change. Okay, it is for 0, 0, 1 bar. So here you can, after this only, if you want to write this as in this bar form, it is like 0.01, then 001 bar. Okay, you can put that bar just above the given number. 001 is given, right? Okay, and here also it is 0.1, then 001 bar. If you are writing a bar over there, you can just like write it like this. This one will be, okay, 0.01, then 001 bar, then 0.1001 bar, and this one 1000x will be 1.001 bar. Okay, see, basically what happened is he first took 10x, then 100x, then 1000x. Since we have 3 digits, okay, 3 digits are repeating. 0.001 bar was the question. 3 digits are repeating. You can just take, okay. So the given x was equal to 0.001 bar. Okay, and 3 digits are repeating. So 1000x means 3 decimal places will be shift. Okay, so it's like this is 0.001001 like that it is going, and the shifting 3 decimal points means 1, 2 and 3. So the decimal will come here. So it's like 0. No, not 0 point. It was 0.001. So, and we are shifting the decimal means this decimal will come here. So it is 1.001. Did you get it? See, the question is 0.001 bar. Okay, or that is 0.001001001 like that, etc. Okay, suppose we have 2.3 into 10. What we do is we just shift this decimal. It will be 23. Okay, then we have some 2.367 into 100. Okay, we have to shift 2 decimal places. So it will be 1, 2. Okay, so it will be 236.7. Same here. Here this is x and we have to take 1000x means we have to shift 3 decimal points. So it will be 1, 2, 3. Okay, so from here to here the decimal will shift. So it will be 1.001001 like that. Okay, and instead of that, here we just took 10x first, then 100x, then 1000x. Okay. So, is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it okay now? Yeah, any doubts?
Okay, Sanjit.
Yes, Sanjit.
Yes, ma'am, that 0.33 question we did have.
0.33.
Like, can you go a little bit further now? Like, where I did not find what this so not this one, but like,
This one. No.
no. Oh, yeah, yes, ma'am. I wanted to see this one, yes, ma'am. I want to write it down.
Okay, okay. Could we directly go for 1000x? Yes, you can just directly go for 1000x. Just for his convenience, he multiplied it with 10, then by 100, then with 1000. Yeah, you can just go directly with 1000 if you are confident enough to do that. Okay, if you are sure that you are not going to make any mistake, you can perfectly do this 1000x. Yes, just do that. Okay. Yeah, how many digits are repeating? 3 digits. So after 1, 3 zeros must be there. It is 1000. So just multiply it with 1000, and please be careful while putting this decimal point. That is the only case. Since if it was like 0.2357 and we are multiplying with 1000, yeah. Okay, yeah. If it was like, yeah, 0.23, ma'am, no, mute. Okay, 0.2357 and we are multiplying with 1000, everybody knows, yeah, 3 decimal places, and you will be very confident. But here we have 0.001. So what is gonna happen with the zeros? Okay, that is a question. If it was 0.000 point, like something like this, okay, we just write it as 0.1 only. Okay, that is the case. You can just ignore the zeros and focus on this 1. We are putting this decimal after this 1. Okay, yeah, that's it. You can just directly take 1000x. That is okay. Yeah, any other doubts?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay, so express this in the form P by Q and just tell me whether you are...
One second. Neha?
Yes, Neha?
Ma'am, I raised my hand to answer.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, so first we write...
Wait a second, Neha. Okay, wait a second. Just do it and just tell me whether you are surprised after doing this. Yes, Neha, continue.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Should I do it first?
Yes, yes. No, you can just tell me. You can just tell me. Yeah, just continue. Others, do this. Yeah.
Okay, we consider x as 0.9 bar. Now, as only one number is repeating itself, so we write 10x.
Yes. Okay, 10x
is equal to 0.9 bar.
0.9 bar.
We multiply it.
Okay,
multiply
0.9. Okay. Into 10.
After multiplying, we get 9.9
Okay.
bar. Now we subtract 10x minus x, which is 9.9 bar minus 0.9 bar.
Okay.
Which is 9x is equal to 9. Oh, that's why I'm surprised. Okay. x is equal to 9 by 9, which is 1.
Yeah, x is equal to 1, and here we took x is equal to 0.9 bar. So, anything wrong? Why we got the value of x as 1? Are you surprised? It is equal to 1. Okay. So, any reasons for that? Okay, we have a hand raise. Who is that, ma'am?
Rehan.
Yes, Rihan.
Ma'am, it's could be like it could be 90. I don't know.
It could be 90. No. Okay, if you are multiplying with it with 100, again 90 by 90, anyways, you will get the value of x as 1 only. The value is so minute. Who is that, ma'am?
Tabu.
This comment. Yeah, right side, right side.
This
Yes, yes.
Parvati.
Parvati, can you please raise your hand? Yeah. Yes, Parvati.
Yes.
Why this answer is equal to 1?
Ma'am, because the value is 0.99 bar, it's so minute that the value is equal to 1.
Yes, very good. The 0.9999, right? It is very close to 1. It is becoming closer and closer to 9. So that is why we got the value as 1. The difference between 1 and, suppose we are ignoring the other 0.9999. We are just taking 1 and 0.9, just this much 9s. It is, see the difference, it is 0.0001. And if we are taking 0.9999 etc., what is the difference? It is 0.000 etc 1. Very minute difference. Just to show you this, I just took this 0.999. So after this we have etc etc. Okay, and after so many etc's only this 1 will come. So the difference is very minute. It is actually negligible. That is why we can conclude that this is very much near to 1. Okay, not this one. Okay, we have etc etc. Therefore 1 is the answer. Okay, this is very close to 1. 0.9999 bar. Very close to 9, right? Okay, that is why even if we draw a number line and we have 0 and 1, if we are only marking 0.1, 0.2, etc., 0.9, we have some place here between 0.9 and 1. But what happens if it is 0.99999? It is becoming closer and closer to 1, right? That is why the answer is 1. Okay. Yeah, it's basically equal to 1 actually. The value, the difference is very negligible. We can just ignore that. We just take the value of pi as 3.14 or 22 by 7. That is an approximate value. Just like that, approximately this is equal to 1. Okay. Yeah. So any doubts? Any doubts, ma'am? No. Okay, fine. Now, write the following in decimal form and say what kind of decimal expansion each has. So, the previous questions were like you have to convert it into p by q form, and here already p by q form is given. You have to write the decimal form. Okay, fraction form is already given. You have to convert it into decimal form, and you have to tell me what kind of decimal expansion each has, which means terminating, non-terminating, recurring, non-terminating, non-recurring, just like that you have to tell me. Yeah, so the first one, 36 by 100. So I have to write 36 by 100 and do that. Or any easy methods? It is 100. So we have to do this or not? Yes or no? No, right? Yeah, we don't have to do that. So what we do, ma'am, can you please unmute Chaman?
Okay, Tabu.
Okay. Hello? Tabut, right?
Can you hear me?
Yes, yes, now you're audible.
Yeah. So the easy method we can do is that 0 point like 136 by 100 we can do it as like 0.36.
Yes, this is equal to 0.36. 2 zeros, 2 decimal places. Yes.
Yes.
Okay, and what kind of decimal expansion it has? Is it terminating or non-terminating, recurring, non-terminating, non-recurring?
No, it's terminating.
Terminating, yes, very good. It is terminating. It is ending, right? It is just 0.36. It is not like 0.3666. No, it is 0.36. So it is terminating. Very good. Now, the next question is 3 by 13. So we have to divide. 3, okay. Wait. 3 divided by 13. Yeah, who is ready to divide 3 by 13?
Okay, let's ask Ruben.
Okay.
Hello?
Yes, Ruben.
Yes, ma'am. 3 divided by 13 divided by?
No, it's 3 divided by 13.
Oh, sorry, 3 divided by 13. Then, ma'am, 3 3s are 9.
We are dividing by 13, not 3.
Oh, sorry. Oh, sorry. 13. Then, ma'am, we'll write for 0.
0, yeah, 0
Zero.
point.
0, sir. 0 point. Then we add a 0 to the 3.
Yeah.
It will be 13. Then 13.
How many times 13 will give us a number less than or equal to 30?
I think third.
Yeah, just do it. Oh, already got the answer? Okay. Yes, 2 into 13 is 26, right? And what is 3 into 13? 3 into 13 is 39. So we need a number which is less than or equal to, yes, okay, so I have to write a number in the quotient. Which is that number? We need a number less than or equal to
3 2s are 26.
yeah,
13 twos are
13 twos are 26. So 2 into 13 is 26. Yeah, okay.
And then we borrow 10, then 10 minus 6 will be 4.
Yes, okay.
And then we add another 0 to 40.
Okay.
Then we write 3.
3.
The 3. Then 3 by 39.
39.
Then
Remainder is 1. Okay.
and then we write again 0.
0.
Then the top we write also 0.
Yes, okay, 0. And now
Then we write 100.
100. Okay.
And then 13. 13. 100.
Yes. Okay.
Thank you.
Uh, 0.23 non-terminating. Okay, what about this repeating or non like recurring or non-recurring? Do that and find that also. Okay, please don't write just 0.23. See, here we are dividing by 13 and we have a rule. See, okay, the second one, the number of entries in the repeating string of reminders is less than the divisor and we are dividing by 13. So you have to check for at least 12, right? 12 numbers. It may repeat after this 12 digits. Okay, yeah, so please do that and find whether it is non-terminating non-recurring or non-terminating recurring. Okay. No, wait. Yeah, so 100. How many times 13 will give us 100? Ma'am, please unmute.
Okay, Durgesh.
Yes.
Okay, so how many times 13 will give us a number less than or equal to 100?
From 7.
7. 7 13s are?
91.
91. Okay, and the remainder is?
9.
9. Okay, then?
So we added 0.
Okay, 0.
So we do by 6.
6. Okay, 6 13s are?
6 and 20.
80.
80. 83.
80.
88.
88.
Yes.
Are you sure?
No, I'm 78.
Okay, 78.
Yes.
Okay, 6 13s are 78. Okay.
Now we minus. Now we get 12.
12. Okay. Then?
Not 12.
Now 12.
12. We get 22.
22.
Yeah.
And if it is 22, we can divide this 22 by 13, right? So you must have put a 7 at least here. 7 13s, because see, 22 is here and we got a remainder greater than the divisor.
It will be 12 and sir. It will be 12.
Okay, it is 12. Oh, okay, wait. Wait, okay. See, it was 3 by 13 and we got, okay, 30 and the first one was 2, 26, 4 was the remainder, then 40 and then 3, it was 39, then 10, 0, 100 and 7 13 was 91, then 9 90 and 6 13 were 78 and we got, yeah, okay, now just continue.
Ma'am, now we are 0.
0 120,
Then we do by 9, 117.
117, 9 13s are 117, okay.
Yeah, then we get 3.
3, okay.
Now we are 0.
0,
Ma'am, then like we continue. Like now we are 2,
2,
26.
26, remainder
And
4.
continue.
Yes. So it is 13 by, 3 by 13 is equal to 0.230769, and can I put a bar like this? Yeah. Okay, so 0.230769, right? We can put a bar above this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digits are repeating itself, like 0.230769, 230769, 230769. Like that, it will go on and on. Yeah. So now just tell me, is it terminating? It is ending at a point? No, right? It is going on and on. So it is non-terminating. Non-terminating. Yeah, what about this recurring or repeating? Is it non-recurring? No, it is recurring, right? Is it recurring? Yes, okay, so it is non-terminating but recurring. Okay, it is non-terminating but it is recurring. Yeah. So everybody got the answer? 0.23769, etc., etc. And it is like put a bar above this 230769. That much digits are repeating. Okay, so since we are dividing by 13, there is a possibility. So just do it. Okay, please don't stop after like 6. Yeah, it is non-terminating, non-recurring. Please don't do that. Here we are dividing by 13. Okay, so do it again and again and just find whether they are repeating or not. So the repeating block of numbers is always less than the divisor. That is the only condition we have. So we are dividing by 13 and please be careful. Okay, where to stop? Yeah, any doubts? Any doubts, ma'am? Any hand raises? If you raised your hands to answer the question, please lower your hands.
Neha.
Ma'am, for example, there is a 3-digit number as a denominator in exams. So we do we divide it for example, it's 3 by 113. Do we divide it 112 times to get the
such questions will not be asked. Like for this type of questions, write the following in decimal form and say whether they are like such questions. You will usually get, if the denominator is a 3-digit number or something like that, like 98, something like that, it will usually terminate or it start repeating after say 2, 3, 4 digits. At least after 4 digits it may repeat or it may terminate. Such questions will be asked. Like it is not possible to divide up to this 112 divisions is not possible. So such questions will not be there. Okay. Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. Any other doubts?
Okay, Rishikesh.
Yes, Rishikesh?
Ma'am, it is not repeating number.
It is not repeating.
Yeah.
Why?
It will be a 92 there, yeah. There is no repeating, yeah.
It is not repeating.
Yeah.
Do again and again. Sir, can you please remove the tag? See, here the first reminder was 4, then 1, then 9, 1, 3, and now see this. Here we got a reminder 4. Okay, just continue, Rishikesh. Just continue the division. I have to put 1 0 beside this, right? Since this is 4, I have to put a 0. Okay. So how many times 13 will give as a number less than or equal to 40? Please unmute him, sir.
9.
9.
3.
3.
39.
Okay, 3 13s are 39. So okay, I'm just writing it here. 40 minus 39 will give you The remainder is
1.
1. Okay, so I'm putting a 0 here. Yeah, so 13. We are dividing by 13 and we got the remainder. No, so we have to put a 0 here, right? In the quotient.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it will be 100. 100. Yeah, how many times 13 will give you 100?
13, 7.
7. Okay, so 7 13s are
91.
91 and the remainder is
9.
9. Okay,
90,
so
90.
90. 13 sevens are
9 and 90. It will be 6.
what?
13 into 6.
13 into 6. What is 13 into 6?
28.
28.
78, not 28.
Okay, so what is 13 into 7?
91.
91. And we need a number very close to 100, right? So do we take 78 or 91?
91 is there, yeah.
And then
90. 90.
okay, 90 and we take
78.
6. And see, this is 2 3 0 7 6 9. Again you are getting 2 3 0 7 6 9. It is repeating, right? Yeah.
Yes, yes, repeating number.
Okay. Next question. We have a mixed fraction here and we have to solve this. Yeah, homework. Okay, do it as a homework.
Niranjan?
Yes, Niranjan?
I wanted to try to answer
Okay, yeah, just do
that.
it as a
homework.
okay. Yeah, just do it as a homework and when we come for the next class, we can solve this. Okay? Any other doubts about the topics that we have covered today? Any other doubts? Ma'am, done. This question.
Can you go to the next slide?
Next slide means the
No, previous slide.
previous slide.
Okay, Mars, which slide you want?
Okay. Yes, Maria, correct. You know how to convert this mixed fraction, right? Oh, already got the answer. Okay. So let's see.
Akash?
Yes, Akash, do you have any doubts?
Ma'am, could you explain me the previous question?
Previous question, okay. So where is your doubt actually?
Ma'am, in this thing, 40, 39.
Okay, I don't have enough space here, that's why I just write it here. Okay, I just want to show you that it is repeating. Okay, see, after this 40, we will get, okay, see, 2 into 13 is 26, right? And, okay, from the first step you want or from just 40?
From the first step.
First step, okay. So we are dividing 3 by 13. It is not possible to divide 3 by 13 unless we put a decimal point there. So it is 3 by 13. We need to divide it and we just put a decimal point. So we can put a 0 here. So we need to find a number just like we divide some 10 by 2. What we do is we always try to find a number so that like less than or equal to 10. When we multiply this 2 with a number, we must get a number less than or equal to 10. We always find a number like that. Okay, that is what we do in division. Just like that, you have to find a number so that when you multiply that number with 13, you will get a number less than or equal to 30. And that number is 2. 2 times 13 will give you 26. Okay, then just subtract. Just same 46 by 3. Okay, we just take 1 into 3 as 3, then we subtract, right?
After that is normal division.
Yes, normal division, normal division. when we take this, we get the remainder as 4, and since we have a decimal point here, after all the reminders, we can put a 0. So it will be 40. So we need to find a number less than or equal to 40. So it will be 3 13s will give you 39. So normal division, just like that, continue. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Any other doubts? No. No more hand raises. So it's time for exam. Sir. Okay, this is the homework question and now time for exam. Who is that man? I finished the homework. It was very easy. Okay, very good. Homework. Okay. Doubt. Who is that, sir?
Ivan.
Yes, Ayman?
Yeah, ma'am, I just wanted to ask this. Recurring is just repeating, right?
Which one? Yes, recurring is same as repeating. Yeah.
Yeah, ma'am, and one more thing. We can actually find if it's terminating or not terminating without actually doing this whole thing.
How?
Our sir taught us that if the denominator is 2 raised to n
Yes,
or
in 5 raised to m.
or
Yes.
5 raised to n, it's terminating,
Yeah.
or else it's not terminating.
Multiples of 2 raised to m into 5 raised to m. Yeah, okay. Any other doubts? No.
Yeah, Daniel.
Okay. Yes, Daniel?
No, teacher, I just want to say that I finished the
Homework question.
outline plans.
Very good, very good.
I want to know if the answer is correct.
Just put it in the chat box, okay? And I will tell you.
Okay.
Yeah, otherwise because everybody have to do that, no? Yeah. Okay, so guys, it's time for exam. Sir, please inform. Yeah. No, no, no. That is now the answer. No. And here, yeah, you forgot to put the decimal, right, Mariam? Okay, yes. Now the correct answers are coming. Okay, now attend the exam. P by Q form of the 0.333, etc. Yes, yes, Mariam. Okay. And then a number whose decimal expansion is terminating or non-terminating recurring is. A number whose decimal expansion is non-terminating, non-recurring is. Which of the following is a rational number? And then is the following statements true or false? Every number with a non-terminating recurring decimal expansion can be expressed in the form P by Q.
Ma'am, Niranjan wants to say something.
Yes, Niranjan?
Oh, sorry, ma'am, while I was reading the questions, I thought two of the questions were the same, but there was a slight difference.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, the second
Sorry.
and third, right? Yeah. Okay. I got 10. Okay, 10 or 10, 8. Okay. Very good. Yes, yes, correct. Yeah, so let's discuss the questions, like, right? Are you all ready? Okay, so the P by Q form of 0.3333 etc. or x is equal to 0.3 bar. We already saw this question, and what is the answer? First option. Oh, okay, not first question. Yeah, first option, 1 by 3. Yes. Okay, a number whose decimal expansion is terminating or non-terminating recurring is it rational or irrational? Terminating or not? Yes, it is rational. And the third question is non-terminating, non-recurring. No. It is irrational. Okay. Then, which of the following is a rational number? 0. Okay. 0 is a rational number because 0 by 1, 0 by 2. Yes, 0 is a rational number. Is the following statement true or false? Every number with a non-terminating recurring decimal expansion can be expressed in the form p by q. True or false? True. Okay, suppose I am changing the question. Every number with a non-terminating, non-recurring decimal expansion can be expressed in the form p by q. So, is the statement true or false? Is the statement? It's false, right? Non-terminating, non-recurring means it is irrational number. What is the definition of an irrational number? We cannot express an irrational number in the form of p by q. So, if the statement is like every number with a non-terminating, non-recurring decimal expansion can be expressed, that is not a true statement, it is a false statement. But here it is non-terminating recurring. Yeah, it is a rational number, so we can express it in the form of p by q. So, for this question, the answer is true. Okay? Yeah.
Mehrab has.
Yes, Mehrab.
Ma'am, is there a chance in exam? It might come with 4.3 divided by 13. For example.
Okay, if it is 1.3 by 13, you can do 13 by, okay.
I'm just asking, is there a chance it might come in the exam?
No, I don't think so. Okay. Okay, any other doubts? No. Okay, I just put the answer opposite to question 2 and 3. It is terminating and non-terminating, you put irrational, and for the other one you put rational. Very good. Okay. Anyways, if you don't have any doubts, in the next class we can discuss this operations on real numbers. Okay? Yeah. Anyway, see you all in the next class. Any doubts?
Yeah, Ashley.
Yes, Ashley.
Ashley.
Can you say the answer of last one? Yeah, it is true. True. Okay, true.
Ashley, do you have any doubts?
No. Okay, so yeah. See you all in the next class. Until then, take care. Okay. Good night. Bye bye.